All right, we're standing underneath this Cayenne GTS. We just finished replacing the flex pipes on. It's a common issue with this platform, as well as the Volkswagen and Audi models or variations of this model as well. The reason the flex pipes go is because they absorb the difference in movement between the exhaust system and the engine itself. On this one, we also replaced the clamps, hardware and gaskets at the same time. Now this car is back to the factory spec and nice and quiet and ready to hit the road again.